This is like...
Don't point at you this way, or you're gonna be dead.
I'm just learning.
Take it out there and learn.
Yeah.
She said take it out there.
This is a documentary. Josh and Tessa after a hard night of drinking.
Pretty damn good.
Look.
Cheers.
Trying to figure out, I know it, like, it zooms, yep, there it zooms like that.
Don't fucking zoom that shit.
Snapshots.
You gotta go over there and help him with lunch and cool. Now that kind of stuff.
Only for a few. That's something to do.
Hey, Jill, Sprinkler?
Water's on the first porch. You just walked past it.
I wanted to, should I? No. It's not like I was looking for it.
Well, no wonder you didn't trip over it.
I know, right?
I just got it yesterday.
Now how do you stop it?
That wasn't very
Push
much.
this button again?